Good evening guys, welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So today in this video let's look at some of the potential breakout stocks for the coming week. So before we get into the video, so this is my channel which is Financial Independence, and here I do post about some interesting reviews on the post market report, sector analysis, IPO analysis and many more, including Nifty, Bank Nifty analysis. So please like and subscribe and share with your friends. So chalo, let's get into the video. So the first one is Spark, which is Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company. This is engaged in the business of research and development of pharmaceutical products. So the market cap is around 7,000 crore, which is a mid cap, and the current price is 266. So if you look into the chart, daily chart, so the stock is ready for a breakout here at these levels at 265. About 265, I'm expecting a target of first target of 300, 300 plus and 415 in a period of 3 to 6 months time frame. So this is a bullish stock, and I'm expecting a bullish upside for the next 2 to 3 months. So short term, medium term, retail investors can use the stocks. You can see the stock is in uptrend in both volume and RSI. So I'm expecting targets of 400 plus 500 in another 3 to 6 months time frame. So the next one is Dalmia Bharat Limited. So Dalmia Bharat Limited is engaged in the business of manufacturing and selling of cement. The company was started in 1939 and it is the fifth largest cement manufacturer by installed capacity in India. So the market cap is, it is large cap company which is 42,877 crores, and current price is 2,291. So if you look at the chart, this is already trading at a high of 2,291 levels. So it made a high, it made a pullback, and then again it is started to move up. So about 2,291, I'm expecting this stock to move above close to 2,600 to 2,700 levels in the coming months. I'm expecting this to happen in another 3 to 6 months time frame on a larger time frame, but anytime it may happen soon, because if you see the volumes are picking up, the RSI is already in above 70, so there is a lot of chances for this cement company to move forward on the upside. So the next one is Aptech. So coming to Aptech, so this is a pioneer in the non-formal education and training business in this country with a significant global presence. It was established in 1986 and has 800 centers. I'm sure 90s kids would have at least once visited this Aptech center in their hometowns. It was very famous, and it is one of the best centers during 90s to 2000, where most of the today IT engineers have at least completed one course in this center. So it was established in 1986 and has around 800 centers. It has presence in diverse sectors ranging from IT training, media and entertainment, retail, aviation, beauty and wellness, banking and finance, and preschool segment, among others. It has successfully trained students, professionals, universities, corporates through its two main streams of business, individual training and enterprise business groups. So key points, the retail business, 73% of the revenue comes from the retail business, which is individual training. So domestic retail expansion, which is like 81% of the retail revenue. So if we look at the market cap, market cap is still in mid caps, which is around 1000 crores. Sorry, small cap. Current price is in 261. The company does not is almost debit free, is maintaining a healthy dividend payout of almost a 95%. 95 percentage. Debtor days have improved from 129 from 95 days. So let's look at the chart. If we look at the chart, you can see it's very clearly visible. This is in a breakout zone. So about 270 levels, I am expecting this to reach 400 levels in another 3 to 6 months time frame. So it is already forming a rounded bottom, and this is soon expected to become as a cup and handle pattern. So above 260, I am expecting 400 plus levels in the another 3 to 6 months time period. So the next is Kaplan point. Kaplan point, let's look at the fundamentals. So if we look at Kaplan point, this is Kaplan Point Laboratories is engaged in the business of pharmaceuticals, producing, developing, and marketing wide range of generic formulations and branded products. So the company is entering into regulated markets for injectables through its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, capable of handling liquid injections in vials, ampoules, lyophilized vials, and ophthalmic dosages. This facility is approved by US FDA, EU, I mean like Europe GMP, and Visa Brazil and Inmima Colombia. The market cap is almost close to 6,000 crore, which is 5,991 crores. Current price is at 792. So the return of capital employed is around 30 percentage, and the return on equity is 24.3 percentage. So this is also a uh, dividend yielding company. The company is almost debit free. It has delivered good profit growth of almost close to 40 percentage CAGR. I mean like a compound annual growth rate over last 5 years. The company has a good return on equity track for almost 3 years. Return on equity interest is almost close to 30 percentage. So let's get into the chart pattern. You can see it has almost completed the rounding bottom, and it is in the verge of breakout above 72 for a period of almost 6 months to 1 year. I am expecting another 500 points on the upside. Minimum 200 to 300 points in short term, and for long term, I am expecting another 500 points on the upside. So these are the potential breakout stocks for the coming week. Apart from this, we have ICICI Bank also. You can see ICICI Bank made a high of 680 levels, 679 levels in the month of February, and currently it is at the same levels. This week we are going to have the results also today. I think tomorrow the results are, I'm not sure if the results have come today. So I am expecting the stock to have give a breakout above these levels. So please keep these 5 stocks in radar. Let's look at the other stocks. Spark. So if you see, the stock met this level at 29th November 2018. Again, this is going to be a multi-year breakout. Dalmia Bharat, Aptech, Aptech 11th June 2018, and currently at those levels. So if it touches 400 plus levels in a period of another 2 to 3 months, this would be again a multi-year breakout, which happened in the year of 20th November 2017. Kaplan Point, Kaplan Point made these high exactly around 700, 770, 780 levels in the month of August 2017. So after a period of 4 years, it is again at the same levels. So the movement above breakout will be very aggressive. So please capture this movements without any misses. So retailers, if you are scared on this moves, you can just deploy 20 to 30 percentage capital on your the total portfolio, and you can watch how the stock moves. The new retailers or the newbies can keep a steady on these kind of breakouts. How does it work? I'm sure this stock will break higher side, at least a minimum of 300, 400, 300 to 400 points on the upside. So please keep these stocks in radar. So thanks guys. I hope you like this content. Please like and share with your friends and subscribe. Thanks guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.